Hi everybody, I win pick 3 in New Jersey last night using Lottodds and I'm gonna show how. So in New Jersey, I always pay attention because you have to have the state name on the top here. I change in profile. I go to profile and I choose the state. And then what I did, I came here and I choose 317 because I win this one here. So I choose 317 and I jump the 73 because has 73 already here. And then I came with, I took the next one. That's it. I didn't put any more numbers in there. So what I did, I copy the number and I paste over here. I spaced the red. And let me start from the beginning. I'm gonna reset so you guys can see everything well, So there we go. So I come here, I got 317, and then I came here, jump the 733, I got 942, and then I copy and I apply over, I paste over here, and then I always use the primary numbers because I have been doing tests with those prime numbers. That comes almost all the time. So I apply in here, and then I have 216 numbers in there. That's a lot of numbers. But then what I do, I go to New Jersey and I check in here and I know something here. The number 7 came already. You see here, number 7 is 2 and 3. So I knew it's not gonna come here. Came in next one. Always can come back when they are 2 here, and the difference here is not too big, so I knew. So I went back there to predictions and I eliminate straight away the number 7 completely from the game. And as well, I eliminate on the high patterns, high and low eliminate completely because I know it's gonna come low. So, and all high I eliminate as well. So I have only three I guess patterns, I don't know, numbers in there. So I went to, I know it's a EE because came 200, so I believe it was gonna flip. That I don't know. I just believe it was gonna flip. So I came here and I eliminate EE and I eliminate 00. And O I eliminate them all. Everything that has 2 O's in there completely. So I have these numbers there. Let's see. And I eliminate the number 0 as well because look what I did. I came here and I see no 5s in here. And 0 is down below here, I say, might not come in the number 0. I risk because came next low. And so what I did, I went there in predictions, and I went to the 0 and eliminate 0 as well. Boom, boom, gone. But I did eliminate because you see 924 here, and I see that 924 is in there as well. So I see 249, 924. So, but I wanna play. If I know I could get the straights in there, and the straight is right here. But what I do, I eliminate, oh, 5 eliminates as well by myself, because, yeah, I believe, yeah, but I'm gonna eliminate here as well, because I took all 5s from there, because I didn't see any 0. So I eliminate the 5 and I end up with those numbers here. And from those numbers, I copy and I came to my Word document and I paste down here. So this is what I win. And I start eliminating here. 229, that's a double. I eliminate that one. 229, gone. Oh, yeah, that's all doubles here. Eliminate them all. So eliminate that. And then I came here and I eliminate 249, and I eliminate this one. I like to put in the smallest number in the middle, you know. So I come here, look. This is a good number. I could let in there. This is a double, so I took it off. And I took it off this one here, so because I like to leave the the smallest number in the middle, as I said. And I had the numbers in there, but the number in there. But what I did, I went there and I decided to put one number more from me that I thought was gonna win, but I didn't. The 924 win. So I went back there. So I came back here and I see 317 here. And what I did, I was concerned about number 2 that would come, you know. So I went there and I put 217. I changed only the 2 here that I thought was gonna come, and that's it. And then I'm gonna show now the winning. So I went to Bethany and I played 217 and 924. And you know, that's I did a mistake in there, because the numbers it was to play more money than I just play 50 cents. But I was gonna play in those numbers here over $2, but I didn't. And another thing that I mistake, I didn't play the straight. I supposed to play straight. You play because it's so low number, so you play straight and you play box, and then you will win better, you know. So, but I'm still learning like everybody else. So, but that's why I'm getting my winnings as well. Have a great evening and God bless all. Okay, take care, everybody. Bye bye.